Ladies and gentlemen, we are back on day 17 of Earl Nightingale's 2 Steps to Manifest a Miracle in Your Life. I'm going to shoot straight with you. Here on day 17, I'm starting to have a little bit of trouble coming up with new stuff to talk to you guys about, because in the beginning I told you it was a simple 2-step process. Grab a card, write your goal on the card, read that card as often as you can every day, and then step 2, for the next 30 days, work harder than you have ever worked before towards that goal. I haven't waffled on this 2-step process. My goal, I'm still reading it as often as possible, and I'm still working harder than I've ever worked before to get there. The problem that I'm having is coming up with new ways to frame the same thing to you guys. That actually is an illustration for the fact that when you're doing this process, those 30 days can start to feel a little bit repetitive because of the fact that you're just reading that same goal card every day. Try to remember that every time you read that goal, you're physically changing your brain and becoming that person that you need to become to take that goal, to accept it, to accomplish it. That's something that I've got to keep in my mind. I know it's something you have to keep in your mind as well. It's important for us to remember that success is more of a habit than it is a one-time accomplishment. When somebody is a quote overnight success, it's because that they worked in silence and obscurity for a long time before that one day when it hit, an overnight success came for them. So remember, stay prepared for that day when you get the chance to accomplish what it is that you're after. One day at a time, reading that goal and working harder than you've ever worked before. We're in this together, and together we're going to get to our goals. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.